A Gurdwara in Vancouver was vandalized overnight with pro-Khalistan graffiti, and the incident accused at the Khalsa Diwan Society, or KDS Gurdwara in Vancouver, better known as the Ross Street Gurdwara. In fact, the images that are playing out on your screens at the moment, they were shared on the official account, Gurdwara Administration. It showed the word Khalistan spray painted in multiple places on the wall surrounding the parking lot of the Sikh temple. The Vancouver Police Department is currently investigating the incident that occurred on Saturday morning. Maha Siddiqui has been tracking all the finer developments for us. She joins us live from Vancouver at the moment. Maha, we're given to understand that this incident has taken place. Separately, we're also hearing of an incident that occurred at a temple. Take us through the latest developments.
That's correct. There were two incidents that took place. One on Ross Street, where there is a Gurudwara which was spray painted with hateful graffiti. And the leaders of the Gurudwara say that this is being done by a small group of pro-Khalistan separatists who are indulging in intimidation tactics and also trying to create divisions within the Sikh community. And they say that this goes against not just the ethos of Sikhism, which calls upon inclusivity, but also the ethos of the Canadian society at large. And simultaneously, there was another incident that took place at the Lakshmi Narayan Temple in Surrey. Surrey is another city, but very close to Vancouver, about 50 minutes or 1 hour drive from Vancouver. And here again, hateful graffiti was seen painted at the Lakshmi Narayan Temple building wall. And the leaders of the temple there have said that it is not a coincidence that both these have taken place on the same day. They've also linked it to the advance polling of the election. And they've said that this should be investigated together, considering that these great hateful graffiti were painted both on the Gurudwara on Ross Street in Vancouver and at the Surrey Lakshmi Narayan Temple. So they are linking both these incidents that took place. But yes, both of them have taken place either in Vancouver or close to Vancouver. The Vancouver Police Department, which is investigating the graffiti on the Gurudwara, have said so far they have not been able to apprehend any suspect. However, they are investigating the matter.